Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure the Samsung TV's Bluetooth and external input are enabled, and set the TV to accept new remotes. Now power the Google TV remote and press home and back together for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. You'll see a flashing LED. Once done, keep the remote within 1 meter of the TV and watch the on-screen pairing prompt. If the TV doesn't show a prompt, toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a fresh scan and repeat the button press. You'll now follow the TV's on-screen menu. Select the detected Google TV remote and confirm any pairing code it displays. This ensures a secure connection. Make sure to accept permissions for input and media control, because without them the remote cannot navigate apps or control volume. If the TV prompts to update the Google TV device or remote firmware, allow that update. Interrupting here often causes failed pairings. Once updates finish, test navigation and volume to confirm you're finishing the setup. Map any misbehaving buttons in the Samsung input or remote settings so media controls and guide buttons work properly. If odd behavior persists, reset the remote by removing batteries for 10 seconds or perform the remote factory reset sequence on the Google TV device. This clears stale pairings. If pairing fails completely, restart both the Samsung TV and Google TV device. Then retry the 5-second home plus back sequence. This simple restart solves most Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.